One more time, I'm sorry. Hi everyone, it's Dolly John here and I'm about to cry because, should we tell them? It's the last vlog day! So we got everyone who was sad and they're all way about to cry because it's the last day of Once Upon a Mattress.
That's actually what I do.
So to all our Dalek viewers and the nationwide viewers, thank you for watching this vlog. Thank you. And please subscribe my third YouTube channel, Dalek Beaver's third YouTube channel, and second. And yeah, and there's my theater teacher. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. And please share this to your friends of the blog, because we're about to cry because this is the last one. Goodbye, Dalek viewers. He was about to cry. Crying.